Uh, Good morning to each and everyone, guys. The person whoever looks this video, I just wanted to give a one clarification regarding the state of thinking about the good and the bad. What is good and what is bad actually? People will be thinking sometimes he is a good boy, he is a bad boy. What is good and what is bad actually? On which parameters we can calculate if this is good and this is bad? What is optimistic and what is pessimisticness? These things I want to give a clarification regarding my own way of thinking and my own way of judgment to this particular subject. Thinking, suppose somebody consumes alcohol or he used to have a smoking, will compare these hobbies or bad, so we'll put that person into the bad. Particularly we'll put them into the bad. He's a bad. Why we are saying he's bad? Because he's smoking is bad. The whole world is accepting that the smoking is a bad hobby, so that person is a bad person. According to recent survey, the people are saying that more than we'll treat the doctor in our present generation, doctor it's almost equal to God. But more than 70, more than seven, not even 70, more than 80 people, 80% people are uh, having having a hobby of smoking. Then what is the point? See, bad and good is our state of thinking. Today's bad becomes tomorrow's good. Today's good may fall into the bad, and there is nothing called hell and heaven. Nothing called hell and heaven. Sometimes we'll get a better luxuries in hell, and that makes us heaven. The only thing is that we should see, the thing is our opinion and law of the land always keep on changes, keep on amendmented with the different people. And if you go to history, in our ancestors also maintained certain things at that point of time. It was a wonderful thing for them, and it was 100% good and actual fact for them. Now those things became bad. So there is, don't call the people he's good, he's bad. There is nothing called good and bad. It's our state of thinking. Sometimes our own knowledge, our own intelligence turns against us and becomes an enemy to us. So guys, don't judge the people based on their hobbies, based on their some other parameters like the way he speaks, the way he respects the people. In this 21st century generation, uh, people are not having, they don't have time to spend with their own families. They don't have a time to spend with their own families because they are saying we are busy in earning money, to make money, to live a better life. 100% I agree with everyone. We should require the money to lead better life, to avoid uh, marginalized sector of the our whatever we are lack of something, having a proper food, healthy food like organic food, having consuming the fresh air, wearing the better clothes, building one small house. It's enough for to lead a normal life. Ultimately, we won't take anything from this earth. We we are not behind the earth. We are not apart from the earth. We all are part of the earth. We have came out of the earth, and we will be merged in the earth. and we are nothing special, and we are not created to do, we are not created to we are not created to dominate the nature. We are part of the nature. We are not going to dominate the nature. Not we, even one person also shouldn't do that. So guys, please try to understand. Don't judge the people. He is good, he is bad. There is nothing called. It's situationally, based on the time period, the good and bad always keep on changes. So don't try to give a mark a person. He is doing that because he is bad. He is doing this because he is good. Don't judge like that. Love the nature. Nature will it loves you in return 100 times better than us. We all are part of. This is summer, so keep some water for the birds, other animals, because as a human being we developed in evaluation process. We can have certain refrigerators, or we can bring certain water and we can keep ourselves, but they can't do, right? So they will be searching on their own way to find out the water, at least for the water. As we know, our human body, more than 68 to 70, 80% till 80% will be having a water consumed body only. Everything is water. So let the let we live in a better way. In the same manner, we should respect to the other animals to be happy and to live wonderful life. If everyone is good, then see, I have seen some WhatsApp status saying that we should be happy, and we want surrounded people who are there. I want to make them to be happy, so automatically I am happy. But it is not. I am such a person. I want everyone should be happy, even I am not happy also, because happiness is varies person to person, thinking level, way of thinking. Sometimes losing makes me happy, failure makes me happy. For other people, they can't even imagine they got failed, means they can't even tolerate the certain things. So failure, bad, uh, unsuccess, these all are terms. Always keep on listening on our day-to-day life. People will be saying my mood off. They will be post in the WhatsApp status, mood off. What happened you to become a mood off? You know that very well. Then why can't you make it to mood on? Just switch on the button and on. You know how to on it. You know why it became off. Then by default you know how to make it on. Thank you guys. I think it has a small sense, had made some sense to your brains. I think you understood very well. If not, then your wish. You decide whatever you want, but don't harm to anyone. Don't think we are superior and he is inferior. Don't think in that way. That order automatically, the hierarchical order is there everywhere in all departments. So my topic is good and bad. I don't want to lead to some other extension. I don't want to deviate from my topic. So please respect the people, respect the women, respect the parents, respect yourself, love yourself more than any other. That is what I finally want to tell. Om Namah Shivaya. I am ending this video now. Right now, I am Om Namah Shivaya. Love you guys, love you.